Now I want to take one more interesting example belonging to the system of the quadrants. Depending on the sign that in which quadrant, which trigonometric ratio takes what sign. So in order to explain more in detail, I am going to take an example. The example is that find the value of other 5 trigonometric functions if cos x is equals to minus half. That means if cos x is minus half and angle x lies in third quadrant. As I already discussed with you with the help of ASTC after school to college, that in the third quadrant, as mentioned, x lies in third quadrant. You know it very well that in the third quadrant, we know that first quadrant is 0 to 90. All trigonometric ratios are of positive sign. In the second quadrant, AS, that is the sign and its reciprocal, are positive. All remaining 4 are negative. Third quadrant, AST. In the third quadrant, only tan and its reciprocal cot. These two values are positive and remaining 4 other trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, cosec, sec, are negative. So very first we are given here cos x is minus half. Cos x is minus half, but we know that in any condition sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, or you can say sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So with the help of this, we can say the value of sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. In place of cos x, we can write minus half. So if I write minus half here, so the value of sin square x will get convert to 1 minus 1 by 4, because the square of minus half is 1 by 4. This is coming out to be 3 by 4. If sin square x is 3 by 4, so the value of sin x will be root 3 by 2. The value of sin x is root 3 by 2, but it is very well declared that in third quadrant only tan and cot has to be positive, the remaining values has to be negative. So answer of sin x will be minus root 3 by 2. Why? Because it is given that the value of x lying in the third quadrant. Sin x is minus root 3 by 2. Its reciprocal is the cosec x. So the answer of cosec x will be minus of 2 upon root 3. Now as given cos x is minus half, so with the help of cos x, what we can say, the value of sec x is minus 2 upon 1, that is the reciprocal of cos is sec, that is minus 2. One of the trigonometric ratio cos x is minus half, so with the help of cos x we have obtained the value of sec x minus 2. With the help of the identity sin x is minus root 3 by 2, its reciprocal cosec x is minus 2 by root 3. So cos x were given, with the help of cos x sec x is obtained, sin x is obtained, cosec x is obtained, and we know that the division of sin and cos is always known as the tan x. So answer of tan x, if I talk about, it can be, that is the value of, I can separate it here like this, the value of tan x is sin x upon cos x. Answer of sin x is minus root 3 upon 2 and cos x is minus 1 upon 2. Their division will give us root 3. So tan x is root 3 because negative and negative will dilute, will cancel. So the value of tan x, so value of tan x become root 3 and reciprocal of tan is taken as cot. So that's why the value of cot x will be 1 by root 3. So in this way I can say that if value of cos x is minus half, x is in third quadrant, so by taking care of sign, that is in the third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, remaining 5 ratios, that is sin x, cos x, sec x, cosec x, tan x and cot x have been obtained. So if we can just think, we can remember that in which quadrant which trigonometric ratio is positive and which trigonometric ratio is negative, we can definitely obtain any result by using trigonometric identities and the ratios and the inverse results.